Yes, Ndembele passing to Doe, cooking Liverpool defense. Goal. Liverpool was cooked by PSG 2-0. In case you missed this game, I want to show you angles of these goals. Remember, first goal was scored by Doe, second goal was scored by Kvaratskhelia. I want to show you these two goals. Let me start with this of Desire Doe. So the ball came from Dembele passing it direct to Doe, then Doe from far end scoring a very beautiful and wonderful goal. Let me repeat. So this Dembele with the ball, just passing against this Virgil van Dijk. You understand? Let me repeat. Just see. Dembele passing through McAllister, passing through Van Dijk, and then passing to Doe, and then Doe scoring this very magnificent goal. Just see. Let me zoom for you. Let me just zoom it for you. Let me zoom it for you. Just see this goal. Just see this goal. Have you seen? Let me repeat. Have you seen this goal? Just see. Yes. To the far end of the net. Hence the goal. Let me show you Kvaratskhelia goal now. This is the 0-2 goal. I want to show you Kvaratskhelia's goal. Let me start. This Kvaratskhelia cooking Liverpool defense plus the goalkeeper. Just see Kvaratskhelia goal. Let me repeat. See Kvaratskhelia goal. Probably, maybe is the best winger right now. Maybe. Just see goal. Let me see Kvaratskelia's goal again. Here it is. Khvicha Kvaratskhelia. That's the name. Khvicha Kvaratskhelia. Just see. Konate down, Van Dijk down, goalkeeper down. Cooking them like rice. Just see. Khvicha Kvaratskhelia. I have a question. What is wrong with Liverpool? Slot or players? The absence of Alisson Becker is the absence of Alisson Becker affecting Liverpool? Is the defense of Liverpool that has a problem? The likes of Kekes, the likes of Van Dijk, the likes of Konate. What is wrong with Liverpool? Will Liverpool overturn this in England at Anfield? Comment there.